Hey there, today I'll be walking you through how to upload a folder to Power BI. I'll be showing this in Power BI Desktop. Let's get straight into it. First, click the Get Data button at the top of the screen in the Home ribbon. Next, you need to find the folder connector. In the Get Data dialog, you can either scroll through the list or just use the search box to type in folder. Make sure you select the plain folder option, not SharePoint folder. We're connecting to a local or network folder here. Once you've got folder selected, click the Connect button at the bottom right of the window. This opens a folder path dialog. Now you need to tell Power BI where your folder is. You can either paste the full path directly into the text box, something like C:\reports\sales, or just click the Browse button to navigate to it. This works with local drives, network drives, or UNC paths. Once you've got your path entered, click OK. Power BI will now show you a preview of all the files it found in that folder and any subfolders. You'll see a list with file names, extensions, dates modified, and file sizes. At the bottom of this preview window, you'll see two main options: Combine and Transform Data, or Combine and Load. Choose Combine and Transform Data. That'll open the Power Query editor so you can review everything before it loads. If you're working with Excel files, you might get a Combine Files dialog asking you to pick a sample file and select which sheet or table to use. Choose a file from the dropdown and select the sheet. Power BI uses this as a template for combining all the other files. With CSV files, this step might get skipped automatically. The Power Query editor will now open, showing all your combined data. You'll see all the rows from all your files stacked into one big table. There's a column called source.name that shows which file each row came from. You might also notice some helper queries in a folder on the left. You can ignore those. Power BI created them automatically. If you need to clean up the data, now's the time. You can filter rows, remove columns, or change data types using the tools in the ribbon at the top. Any changes you make will show up in the Applied Steps pane on the right side. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Close and Apply at the top left in the Home ribbon. The Power Query editor will close and your data will load into Power BI Desktop. You'll see your new table appear in the Fields pane on the right. Here's the really useful bit: that folder connection is now live. When you add new files to that folder with the same structure, just click Refresh on the Home ribbon and Power BI will automatically pull in the new data. All your files need to have matching columns with the same names and data types for this to work properly. And if you ever need to see which file a specific row came from, just add that source.name column to your visual. And there we go, folder uploaded to Power BI. Thanks for watching.